I think the only way that this sandwich could get any better is if Popeyes themselves came out with a vegan spicy chicken sandwich. Other than that, this is amazing. Guys, this is probably the proudest recipe that I have made so far. And that says a lot because I have like over 300 recipes. But anyways, let's get into it. Start off by adding 3/4 of a cup of Vital Wheat gluten and 1/4 of a cup of oat flour. This is the key to the perfect texture. We'll be using 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Make broth by adding 1/2 cup of vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Mix well and add slowly to the dry mix while mixing. Knead dough for 4 minutes for the perfect texture, no more, no less. This week's subscriber shout out goes to my cousin Vegan. Want to be featured too? Screenshot this video and share to Instagram stories, and don't forget to tag me. Or tag me if you make my recipes. Okay, let's get back to it. Split the seitan into 4 pieces to make 4 chicken patties. Then shape into about 1/2 inch thickness. Next, steam the patties covered for 1 hour. Make the batter while that steams. Add 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and spices. We'll be using 1/2 tablespoon of the following: cayenne seasoning, Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper into the mixing bowl and mix to combine. Next, make the marinade by adding 1/4 of a cup of almond milk, 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Add marinade into a zip bag or covered container and add in the steamed patties. Marinate for 4 hours for best results, or less if you're in a rush. Toast your buns, well, not your buns, burger buns, and set aside. To batter the patties, add 1 tablespoon of the marinade into the dry batter to create some flaking and mix. Coat the patties one at a time. Make sure to pack on the batter well. Double dip the patties back into the leftover marinade and repeat to coat twice for an extra crunch. Fill the skillet halfway with frying oil and heat to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or until bubbles form around a wooden spoon. Place patties into the oil away from yourself to prevent splashing yourself. Fry until patties are golden in color, approximately 5 minutes. This is totally optional, but you can make a spicy mayo to go with that. Add a few spoonfuls of vegan mayo, a bit of garlic powder, and a few dashes of hot sauce to taste. And add spicy mayo to each side of the burger buns and assemble with pickles and spicy chicken patty. I love extra pickles, but that's totally optional. And dig in.
If you really enjoy sandwiches, like most of us, I have a whole sandwich playlist right here that you can check out, or this other video if you would be interested in checking that out instead. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys soon. I love you. Bye.